So this is what it looks like on your birthday morning when your grandma is the goat. Got a whole birthday set up. We brought Elsa too, and Elf on the Shelf. Okay. So we bought Elsa, and Elf on the Shelf. Grey Wolf Lodge. Look at this goat over here.
Not 3 no
Good
more.
morning.
Good
How old are
morning.
you?
How old are you, Bam Bam?
4.
Four.
You're 4.
You're a big 4.
How exciting.
How you feel, big 4-year-old?
You feel bigger?
Big and strong and tough and tired.
Love you.
Say I love you too. Say bye.
Rye? What's a rye?
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Say bye to the people.
So this is day 3 and we are eating breakfast. Good morning.
Good morning.
Are you eating?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mommy, is Livy coming in the
Livy
pool
is
with us?
right there. Livy's here.
She brought you something. She got you a gift. Come on, let's see Libby. Let's see your cousin Libby. Go give her a hug. She loves you.
And then we're gonna come back and eat breakfast. Let's
What do you
see.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Perfect color scheme, whatever it is.
Wow. What is that? Let me see. Open it up.
Lots of princesses.
Ooh, look at all those princesses.
Pretty, huh? And then you have a princess thing in there too, where you can play. When Livy come over and play, you guys can dress up as princesses. Oh, you gonna dress up?
Let's see.
She like trying to open it.
Watch out.
Yeah. You need some help?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. Ooh, look at that, Savannah. All the princesses.
The earrings, the crowns,
The earrings,
the whole 9.
You
There
say
you
thank
go.
you.
Give her a hug and say, let's go have fun.
Let's go have fun.
Oh.
All right, let's go. right, Savannah, you gotta blow.
Hey.
Oh, that's so cute.
Oh, it's choking me.
So strong.
All right, there go the light for the cake.
Yay! All right, Bam Bam, make a wish and blow out your candle.
Make a wish.
No candle.
I know we can't have a lighter in the
We won't
hotel.
let you have a light.
Sit down,
Yeah.
Rachel.
So just still make the wish and
Make a
blow.
wish.
Well, I don't know what that costs, so maybe pretend.
Everything in your own mind. You know what you want for your wish? Okay.
Don't tell them.
Good
Woo! All right, you want to open up your gifts? All right.
Which one you want to open?
So let's show the ones that you already got. That you already opened earlier.
Here.
I opened that
Let me see
What
it.
is it?
Show.
camera.
Sit down,
Oh, you got a
Rachel.
camera?
You got that camera?
That one. She got so much
What else you
presents.
get?
That one.
Ooh, that's
It's
Belle.
from somebody's
So
home.
pretty.
No, it's not from the mine.
That's so cute.
So cute.
I cannot
Look
eat
at
it.
that.
It's not
I think that's a hula hoop.
Oh.
You know how to do hula hoop? Oh, who? Well, you
And then
have
that
to
box
show
on
me.
the floor. What's in that floor? Ooh.
Hey,
Hey.
that's right, girl. What's this?
Ooh, a
for your
tea
tea
set. A
party?
ceramic
For your
tea
tea
set.
party, man.
Wow, so pretty.
Yeah.
Now I can have the tea in the real tea
What's
set.
this, man, man?
That's from the tea set was from Amaya. Uh-oh.
I told you.
And then that's what Burro got you.
This is from Bro.
That's what Saman got
Look,
you.
open this from Savannah.
What is happening right now?
You don't want to open your gift?
What happened just now? You sleeping?
Okay. Well, do you want your gift?
Cut. Say goodnight to
All right, say
everyone.
goodnight. Say goodnight.
All right, bye,
everybody.
Savannah.
And cut.
And cut.